house nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Let's get it.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we're going limited edition. What does that mean? We have a RS6 in Merlin purple. This purple option is no longer available at Audi. And to top it off, usually this Merlin purple comes with a black interior, but this interior is actually cognac. So as you guys can see, this color combo is amazing. It just got off the loading dock. So what steps should you take whenever you take delivery of your car? Today we're gonna be breaking it down for you guys in 3 easy steps. So anyways guys, let's get to step number 1, which is going to be clean the wheels, and then we'll move on to step number 2 and 3. I'll see you guys at the wheels. So step number 1, whenever you take delivery of any type of vehicle, you always want to start off with a wheel clean. The reason being is this car is not cheap. Let's just go back to the paint. Just to add this paint color is $5,000 just for that additive, especially the interior. So this color combo is fantastic. These wheels, unfortunately, the dealer did not do a good job. They actually came in with brake dust. So all of this is just sitting on your wheel. This car is not cheap. So what a better way to do it is start off with a wheel clean. So like this, you remove all the filth, grime, debris, brake dust, or anything that the wheel might have, so that you can start moving on to the body of the car. So right here, I already have my assortment of brushes and bottles I'll be using today. So I'll just be rolling this over here on my creeper dolly. To start off with, today I will be using Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel. Now Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel is going to help me remove brake dust away from the filth, away from the face of these wheels. Audi did an amazing job. These wheels are 22-inch wheels. The car is a little bit lowered. It does have a thin tire. So Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel is going to clean hard onto the dirt and brake dust and help me remove it fast and easy. So that's why I went with this wheel cleaner. Now the assortment of brushes is very simple. I went with the Nifty brush, but the Nifty brush that's a little bit much more stiffer. The reason being is the tire is not so thick, so the big blue stiffy, unfortunately, in this occasion will not work. To clean up the barrel of the wheel, I picked my Rimpaca. This Rimpaca actually comes with 3 brushes, a big one, a medium one, and a small one. The barrel on these wheels are fairly big, so that's how I went with the skinny long one. And to top it off, to clean up the face of the wheel, I'm going with the Wheelie Wheel Brush. This is our Wheelie Wheel Brush. If you guys do want to see a video on how to remove filth away from your guys' brushes, just comment down below. It's super easy to make for you guys, so that you guys know how to maintain your wheels clean. But we already did a test spot on a different wheel, so that's why I'm going with the Wheelie Wheel Brush. It works amazing. And obviously, I do have my bucket with my dirt trap. Insert this at the bottom of my bucket, sink everything in, and now we're good to go. So to start off with, I will start taking off this sprayer top, and I will be diluting some into my wash bucket, just so I can have extra lubrication, about an ounce or 2. Leave the rest inside my spray bottle. And now I'll just get my ProFlow PM2000 and my Torque Snubby to rinse off the loose grime and debris. Just by rinsing it off, nothing came off. What I recommend you do, once you already rinsed on the surface vehicle, inspect it, no brake dust came off of it. So now we'll just get our Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel and we'll spray some onto the surface. And as you guys can see, Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel clings onto the filth and grime and does not let it run off. So that's what I'm looking for. I want a cleaner that's going to cling hard onto the surface. And then after the wheel's already clean, then that's when I might start moving up to Diablo Wheel Gel, because this car just got off the lot or just got delivered to the owner. So after we do the thorough clean, that's when you can start moving more to a maintenance product like Diablo Wheel Gel. I'll get my PM2000, activate my suds, and I'll start scrubbing. So the first things first, super easy. The barrel's not that small. I'll start off with my Rimpaca and I'll start scrubbing the back of this wheel. Now, if your wheel is completely filthy, what you could also do is spray some Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel all over your brush for extra added lubrication. But I ensured before I started scrubbing that I sprayed the whole entire barrel. And one of my favorite things about the Rimpaca is the synthetic wool that is used on this is going to capture all the filth and grime and not let it get all over your entire wheel. So once you're done scrubbing, come back and just rinse it off. And if your suds do run out, get some pressure, reactivate it, and you're good to go. So like this, you have a premium clean at any given time using Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel. Another key point that I want to point out to you guys is there's a lot of brushes on the market that have metal stem and everything else, the Rimpaca is fairly well built. It has an amazing rubber grip that does not let it slip out your hand. It has synthetic wool and everything is plastic. So if it does hit against your car, it will not scratch your wheel nor damage it. And that's one of my favorite things about the Rimpaca. Take clean to the next level using the Rimpaca so you can get into the wheel wells. You could also use it on grills. You can use it on much more. I will be doing a secondary spray all over the entire wheel just so I could ensure that I have high amounts of lubrication. This car is amazing. I resprayed the surface of this wheel using sticky stitch wheel gel so I could have extra lubrication. Next up, that we already cleaned up the barrel of the wheel. All we need to do is just clean up the face of the wheel. So by cleaning up the face of the wheel, I will be using the flag tip brush. The flag tip brush, one of my favorite things about it is if I press down on it, it's going to contour onto the area and it's going to allow me to truly clean the wheel. So like this, I know exactly what the surface of this wheel has. And just by inspecting it, it's removing all the filth and grime, but Audi unfortunately did not add any type of ceramic coating to these wheels because there's no water beading. But the clean process is made easy because we are using sticky stitch wheel gel plus these brushes. So I got the barrel, I got the wheel. Now there's no really intricate area, so this is an occasion where I won't be using a board hair detailing brush just because I was able to get everything using those two brushes. Now next up on this detail is going to be removing any tire dressing away from the tire using Total Extract. Total Extract is going to remove filth, grime, brake dust, or any tire gunk that might be sitting on your tire. I get my Nifty brush and I'm gonna go to the tire and all I'm gonna do is just scrub it back and forth. And by me scrubbing it back and forth, I am ensuring I am removing filth and grime away from the tire so that whenever I come back to apply a tire shine, it's going to bond properly. So after I scrub it down, I'll get my Torque Snubby and my ProFlow. And I'll just rinse everything down and then we'll be moving on to step number 2, which is going to be washing this beauty. Anyways guys, let me rinse it down, then I'll meet you guys at my 2 bucket method and we'll get right into the washing process. Okay guys, so we just finished cleaning up the wheels and tires on this RS6. Now I do know I did have tire kicker hanging off my creeper dolly and my bucket. I forgot to tell you guys that unfortunately I'm not going to be applying that dressing right now because the car is going to be getting wet. So once the car is fully dried and fully clean, that's when I'll start applying tire kicker. And it's so simple, just spray onto an applicator, rub it on, and you're good to go and drive off, and your tires will be looking stealthy. Now, step number 2 you should take whenever you take delivery of any new car or you buy a car is going to be washing it. The reason why you want to wash it is because once your car is fully clean, that's when you can actually see, do I have scratches and swirls? How does the paint look, and much more. Now, Audi did tell the owner that they did apply some type of ceramic coating on it. I personally do not know what type of ceramic coating it was, so that's why I'm going with a super gentle soap today, which is going to be Sudpreme. Now, Sudpreme is going to, 1, wash and wax your car in one easy step. It's going to bring out an amazing shine, especially this Merlin purple. I want to see what type of reaction I get using Sudpreme. Maybe it looks darker, maybe it looks lighter. So it's all up in the air because I do not know how the paint will react. So today I'll be using Sudpreme. Sudpreme is also going to wash, shine, and protect your car in one easy step. The high amounts of suds this produces is fantastic. You could also use it like a foam blast or foam cannon. But today, we're gonna be throwing a foam party here in California using the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon. So down below, I already have my wash mitt. The choice of wash mitt today I'm going to be using is going to be the Chenille wash mitt. It's super soft, super plush. It's going to help me remove any filth or grime that this Audi might have. And of course, for anybody that is barely tuning into the chemicalguys YouTube channel, we are going to be adding dirt traps at the bottom of your bucket so you can reduce scratches and swirls whenever you're washing. My left-hand side is going to be my rinse bucket. My right-hand side is going to be my soapy bucket. Obviously, for you guys, it's vice versa. I will be adding some type of soap into my wash bucket for extra cleaning power. And then up front, I do have my Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon that all you need to do is remove the big mouth head, pre-fill the bottle with water, and then you'll get your choice of soap. You'll add 1 to 2 ounces of soap inside your canister, put the soap off to the side, get your big mouth head, reattach it, and then you'll just stir it. You do not want to shake it, because if you do shake it, you'll start causing foam inside here. We want no foam in here. We want all the foam on the car. So anyways, guys, all we need to do now is just rinse down the surface of the vehicle. Once we rinse the whole entire surface down, we're gonna be moving on to the Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon, and then we'll start foaming up the whole entire car. Then obviously, I'll show you guys how simple and easy and fun it is to scrub down your surface of your car using the Chenille wash mitt. I'll be right back.
Let's get it. Popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Whoa, popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Whoa. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's feisty, feisty.
Okay, so we just finished foaming up the whole entire car. We let the suds sit for a while, so now it's just time to get into the scrubbing part. Now, scrubbing part is fairly simple and easy, but a lot of people actually overthink it. 1, how do you scrub down the surface of the car? 2, my car is so expensive, I don't want to touch it. And 3, what's the proper way? So today, I'm going to break it down for you so fast and simple. So first and foremost, all I'll do is just activate my suds. I'll activate my suds. I'll let my Chenille wash mitt fall inside so you get all the suds. I'll stick my hand inside my wash mitt. And now what I will do is go to the highest point of the vehicle. Or in this occasion, since you guys are just watching the side panel, you want to go to the highest point of the vehicle, but you want to start going in linear motions. Now, the reason why we always recommend going to the highest point of the vehicle is because I'm going to show you guys what to do versus what not to do. So the proper steps is you go to the highest part of the vehicle, you scrub the whole surface down. If your car is super filthy, you'll go back to your wash bucket. This is the improper technique. Your car is sudsy, right? If you start scrubbing down here, then you go to the top, all of this foam is going to land back to where you were actually scrubbing. So you want to always work easier, not harder. So always start from the top to bottom, come back once you already finished scrubbing the surface of your car to your clean bucket, rinse out your wash mitt, inspect it, and continue throughout the whole entire detailing process. By doing this, not only are you preventing scratches and swirls, you're achieving a true wash, because if you did not know, fun fact, 99% of scratches and swirls actually come from imperfection washing. So that's why today we're here to show you guys how to properly wash it. Anyways, guys, let me just finish scrubbing down the whole entire car, and then we'll move on to step number 3. This is going to be super crucial to add to your new car. Anyways, guys, I'll be right back with step number 3. Let me just go and scrub down the whole entire RS6, and then I'll be right back with you guys.
Let's get it. All night, we go hard all day, nothing gets in our way, it's feisty, feisty. We go hard all night, we go hard all day.
So we just finished rinsing down the whole entire car, and obviously the car is wet, and the final step number 3 is drying it. But you could also prevent scratches and swirls while you drive by using a drying aid, or for anybody that does not have a ceramic coated vehicle, dry your car fast and easy using Afterwash. Now, Afterwash is a drying aid that's going to help you remove water from the surface of the vehicle. It's going to prevent water tension. So then I'll also be pairing it up with my favorite towel. In this occasion, I love the Woolly Mammoth, but this car is not so big, so that's how I'm going with the Speed Mammoth. The Speed Mammoth is not as big and not as wide, so using the Speed Mammoth is going to be more than enough to dry up this RS6. So what I want to show you guys, the water is clinging onto the surface, but if I grab Afterwash and I spray it on, you guys can see the difference between here and over there. The water is dispersing away from the surface of the vehicle. Once you spray the panel, get your microfiber towel and go linear motions and just dry it up. And just by doing that, you are going to be shining while you dry, and you're also going to be preventing scratches and swirls because you're going to have more lubrication on the surface. So I'll go back with a second pass just to make sure I remove any streaks I have gotten once I did that pass. Once I'm done, I'll move on to my next panel. And what I always recommend to our customers is take it a panel at a time. Don't go and spray everywhere, especially if you are washing your car in the hot sun. You don't want the product to dry up on you, so just take it at a step at a time. And obviously, if the water is drying up on you, don't worry. If you spray Afterwash, it's going to help you bring back the shine and you won't be getting water spots. So let me just finish drying up the whole entire surface of the vehicle. Once I'm done doing that, I will also be applying tire kicker to the tires because I forgot. So anyway, guys, I'll be right back in 1 second. Boom! And there you guys have it. That's how fast and simple and fun it is to restore the shine whenever you take delivery on your car. The car came in here, the wheels were caked up with brake dust, the paint wasn't all there, but now using Sudpreme and obviously some type of wheel cleaning products, we brought back the shine, and the shine even got even brighter. Before it came in, it looked a little bit much more darker. Now it looks more brighter. So guys, if you guys liked this video today, don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below. If you guys want to pick up any of these products that I used in today's video, you guys already know where to find them, chemicalguys.com, or drive down to your local detail garage. We do have over 100 detail garage locations across the globe. As always, I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys.
Let's get it. Let's get it. It's feisty, feisty.